I want to show you another plugin now called Open External. And if you look at the ranking factors for Google, time on site is very important. And what this plugin does is it makes sure that when somebody clicks on a link in an article, that it opens in another tab or another window, that it doesn't just open in the same tab so that people are no longer on that page anymore. So if you search for Open External, it'll be the top left one, Open External Links in a new window. This will make sure that people, whenever they click on a link, it opens in a new tab so that they're still technically on your site if you happen to send them to an external site. And if the link that they click on is just another page on your site, now they have two pages open on your site. I just want to give you a short demo of what I meant by using the plugin Open External to open links either in a new tab or stay on the same website, because I don't mean to use that for every single link. So for example, we're here on seomark.co.uk, and when I click on a link, it opens up a new tab, right? Because it's a different website. Now, if I click on a link that keeps me on this same page, right? It's just the contact form. It doesn't open a new tab. And this is good for SEO because the amount of time that people spend on your site, in Google's eyes, is based on the time from when they left the first page on your site and went to a different page on your site. So if somebody opens up a page on your site and just stays on that one page, Google doesn't know how long they spent on that page. They have to open up a second one. So opening links internally can be smart if you're not sending them to an external website. So this is Moz.com, and if I click on Penguin, it opens it in the same thing. This is not great for SEO because now I'm no longer on their website anymore, and there's less chance of them hitting the back button and going on to continue reading the article. So this is what I meant by the Open External plugin and how you can use it selectively depending on what type of link they're going to be opening. Just want to sneak this in here. If you're wondering why I've been saying the top 10 or the top 30 results, it's because the number next to the bar in the graph is a correlation of the top 30 results, and then the averages next to the bubbles are the averages of the top 10 results. Now, I've been talking about the time on site, and for the top 10 results, average time on site is 101 seconds, about 1 minute and 40 seconds. And internal links are going to increase that because they give people a chance to click on something else on your page, go to another post you've written, increase your time on site, and then increase your ranking in the search results. It's also good because it lowers your bounce rate. Now, bounce rate, in case you're not familiar, is the percentage of people who only visit one page on your site. So maybe they find you somewhere in the search results, click through to your website, read an article or part of an article, and then click the back button. Or maybe they just turn off the internet completely and go for a drive because they're so angry that you didn't give them the information that they wanted, and they just need to let off some steam. So that's bounce rate. Bounce rate for the top 10 results was about 37%. So only 37% of people who visit a result in the top 10 or the first page of the Google search results end up clicking the back button or going for a drive. And these numbers are going to be increasingly important in 2015 as well, because the time on site should increase as the word count goes up. Like I said, it's about 1,000 words right now. For the top 10 results, probably going to go up to about 1,600, 1,700, maybe even 2,000 in 2015. And then the bounce rate is going to drop as people become better at linking internally and providing more resources on their websites. So pay attention to these in particular in 2015.